So you're now at the end of your course and you have gone through every single slide as a part of the course module. What you can do now is close the window and take the quiz. So once you close the window, the application will update to show Take Quiz, and you can click that button and you can now take the assessment. To start the quiz, after you've clicked the Take Quiz button in the course page, it will open the quiz for you in a separate tab. To start, click the Start Quiz button, read the instructions and click Continue, and then answer the questions to the best of your abilities. To pass the quiz, there is an 80% pass mark. So out of 10 questions, you need to get 8 questions correct. Okay, so you've passed the quiz. Now, how do you get your certificate? There's 2 ways to do that. You can come back to the course page and click Receive Certificate, and that will generate the certificate for you, showing your name, the date, the expiry date, and the unique certificate ID for yourself. You can download this as a PDF. The other way to do that is through your dashboard. So you click on My Dashboard here, come to Certificates, and here you can view the certificate that you've just created.